Looking for a powerful free way to manage your web hosting? Meet Ispconfig, the open source control panel for Linux that's been simplifying server management since 2005. Let's dive into why it's a top choice for hosting pros and beginners alike. Ispconfig lets you manage websites, email accounts, databases, FTP, and DNS through an intuitive web interface. It supports Apache and NGINX, plus Linux distros like Debian and Ubuntu. With 4 login levels, admin, reseller, client, and email user, it's perfect for managing single or multiple servers. Best of all, it's completely free under the BSD license. Setting up is a breeze with the auto installer now supporting ARM64 and Ubuntu 24.04. You can automate tasks like SSL certificates or backups with shell scripts, saving tons of time, plus features like spam filtering with postfix and malware scanning with ISP Protect, which keeps your servers secure. Now, it's not perfect. The interface can feel dated and setup might be tricky for non-Linux users. Also, some advanced features like cron job management require technical know-how, but with great documentation and community support, you'll get the hang of it. Ispconfig is a robust, cost-effective solution for Linux hosting, whether you're a reseller or managing a single VPS. It's worth a try. Download it at ispconfig.org and take control of your servers today. What's your favorite control panel? Let us know below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.